In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now here's the tricky part. To access Google Password Manager, you need to select All Services and scroll to tap on Autofill with Google section. Then hit Google Password Manager. Finally, to check any password you added, you need to tap on it in Accounts section and enter your current login method. Now use this eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. If your password is too long, hit Edit and check it out here. And if you want to paste it, use this icon right next to the I one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!